I'm back with another project. Got a project back there. Got a project right there. This time it's a little different. Ain't a Mustang. It's actually a Chevrolet. And I hate Chevrolet. I hate Chevrolet with a passion. I'm a Ford guy to the heart, but I love this body style Chevrolet. So what we about to get into, I'm finna do a quick walk around of the truck. Finna give y'all a quick rundown of what's to come for the truck. Cause it's not much gonna happen with it. I've been had the truck about a year now, and I'm just not starting to do modifications with it. And it's my work truck, it's my detail truck. So I'm finna show y'all everything I've done to it for the start, and I'm gonna tell y'all everything I plan to do with it. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Okay, so for starters, this is a 2006 Silverado. Nothing special about it. It's my detail truck, as you can see. K&K Auto Detailing, coming to a city near you. I will be in Atlanta soon, so anybody in the Atlanta, Georgia area, hit me up. Not the best condition, the body is. Got a few things I need to do to it. So for starters, I will be doing headlights. I did those headlights. I got those from Headlight Depot, and they are already fading. I may just clean them up and recoat them because they still good. I think the brackets broke on that one. That's why that one hanging. So that's something I'll be doing. I'm not sure if I'll be doing wheels yet. I know I want to lower it. The 4 and 6 drop, I think it'll look good on those wheels. But I also want to keep the stock looking because it is my work truck. Don't want to put too much money in it. But who knows? Tail lights. Tail lights are fucked, especially that one. That comes from the generator cooking it. I'm gonna be honest. So I'm ordering new smoke tail lights this week, so that'll be a video upcoming. I do have a wing on the way, a spoiler type thing to go right there. So that's coming this week. That'll be a video on the way. This big ass rear bumper, it got to go, man. Fucking aftermarket light hanging out, broke. It got to go. I got a bumper coming for it this week, a roll pan. Finna go to the inside. Pretty much stock, bench seat, armrest. I plan to do leather seats just because I plan to do leather seats, delete this part and do the full console. Leather seats all the way through. The interior, pretty basic as it get. Freaking roll down windows. I want to do the electric windows, that's for sure. So I can have the power locks and all that. But I was talking to somebody, they told me these trucks, you have to do a computer in them for some reason. I don't know. So I'll figure that out later on. But I do got a video dropping on that. Did a steering wheel on it. That's a nice steering wheel. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a better close-up on it. So this is the steering wheel. I got it from my boy Donald Heath. Got a video dropping on that. I do have to order one of these pieces because you see how that gap, it has a ring that goes in there. I kind of messed that up myself. But overall, the steering wheel is pretty nice. That's the only modification I have done to this truck besides the double den. And if I can get the hood to pop. Just so you know, this is a 4.3 truck. Well, it was from factory. But shout out to my boy Tanner Walker and his crew. We got a Vortex in here, 5.3 stock. I just did the coil wires on it, spark plugs, new fuel pump, which I got from Quantum Fuel, which was fucking trash. So I gotta send that back. I end up going with another stock fuel pump. But as you can see, Vortex. So to do this Vortex swap is pretty straightforward. I could have done it myself, but I'd rather pay somebody who, you know, who could have had it done in a day or two, which they did. They had it done in 2 days. So from my understanding, it's the motor, the wire harness. They even gave me the air box. So that was a plus. Right there is something that I don't remember being on the 4.3. But from the looks of it, I think that controls the gas pedal also, or it goes inside to the computer. I'm not sure. I know my truck was a manual, had a manual throttle body, so it was cable, And now it's drive by wire. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's drive by wire. They had a donor truck, so everything was like a straightforward swap. They just swapped everything over to this one. And man, it's a lot more power than that old 4.3 pulling this 60-gallon tank, 65-gallon tank. See if I can find my keys so I can let you hear it. Hey man, I can't lie, it starts up like first turn, you know? Sounds pretty good. So we finna get this camera turned back on me. I'm finna talk to y'all myself. So that pretty much wraps up the video. This is the new project. I hope somebody likes it. I hope it brings some fans in from the Chevrolet side. I may be doing other stuff. I plan to do lone tube headers. I'm gonna drop it. I think I'm gonna throw some wheels on it. I think I'm gonna do dual exhaust. I don't know, based on what y'all want to see. I went to go get the cats cut out yesterday and they was already gutted. So that's a plus. I ain't have to do that. Right now I just got to get it retuned because it's reading like a fuel composition sensor. My truck don't have that, so that got to go. So once I get it retuned and everything, I think it'll be like the perfect truck. It's already the perfect truck. It got the 5.3, couple 100,000 miles on it. Pretty easy to work on. Different from Mustang, I swear it's different. But overall, nice truck. I'm finna be throwing these modifications at it. I'm trying to have a super clean detailed truck, if I must say so myself, like just a super clean truck. So when you see it, it turn heads, and when you see it again, you be like, damn, that's K&K all detailed. I gotta get clean by him, you know? So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the videos I'm throwing at y'all. And I'm out, man. Subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification button so you can stay tuned, man. I'm out.